After a long winter, the Crashking is finally back to rebuild his bike for the 2019 season. His hoodie is showing the scars of the last season, and so does his bike. So now it's time to get his bike back in shape. His bike is covered in dust. He has not ridden his bike the whole winter. But now he's finally back to improve his bike and also his riding skills. This is the 2019 Supermoto build series.
What up guys, this is a new video about my 500 Supermoto. You can see the previous videos right there. In this video I'm gonna update you all about my bike. What are my plans with it during this season. Got a little rusty during the winter. Last summer I've dropped my bike as well. That's why I need to update my bike. Let's get the dust off the bike first, because I didn't ride since, well, what would it be? October, I think?
Yeah, something like that.
During the winter I already did a few updates, like mounting the indicators in the handguards, and also mounted a new handlebar from OnlyMX, which looks really nice in my opinion. During the last season I lost a few parts, like the carbon tank. Also had some carbon covers on the front forks, but those were lost during the crash. I also had some black covers for the swing arm. They will be back I think, but what's the most important thing? The bike's still standing, still alive at about 40 hours last year, so not that much. Hopefully we will ride more this season. What's on my bike right now is the foot pegs from Zeta, shifting lever from Zeta as well. Got some triple clamps from KTM, the factory ones. Got the Rex wheels, Motomaster Brake setup, and some handguards from Zeta. Some other parts from Zeta as well. In the rear we got the SMProject crash protectors, in the front the KTM Powerparts. And what else do we got? We got the Motomaster sprocket and the Motomaster chain as well, which needs some replacement probably. And got the HRB's frame protectors and the Warp 9 kickstand. This one is a little shorter, so for Supermoto it's perfect, because otherwise your bike will fall over all the time. And of course my bike does already, because I'm the Crash King, but yeah, if I can save one crash for the bike, I will do that. And the most important thing, the blue plastics with the DWS decals on it. You can find all the parts that are on my bike in the description below, so if you want to build a bike just like mine, you can find all the parts right there. But let's start building and get the bike ready for the new season. Two months ago we were invited by KTM to test the new 690, and I've been saying on Instagram and also in the last YouTube video, link right there, that I might want to buy this new 690, and I've really considered it, but decided to keep my 500 for the season, because I bought it brand new last year and I only got 40 hours on it. But yeah, if I had the money for it, or want to spend the money on it, especially because the 690 is about 14,000 euros in the Netherlands, so it's quite steep. Yeah, I decided not to do it and keep the 500 for now, and gonna make it look awesome again. Got some new plastics for it, new anodized parts, and also thinking about maybe changing the exhaust for this year and making it look all fresh again and ride it as hard as we can. But yeah, get plastics of it and enjoy the show.
People wanna talk that talk in reality. You have not seen me in action. You think the come up comes overnight. You ain't behind the scenes.
Also a lot of questions on Instagram about my fuel tank, because I used to have the carbon tank on it, but I got a leak on it because I crashed really hard in Italy last year, as you just saw before. So I had to mount the EXC tank, which I really hate the look of it. But there are 3 options to do. You can get carbon covers for the EXC tank. You can find them at DWS Decals, link below. Or you can get the SXF tank, which is the black tank, and you can mount a fuel pump of the EXC in it. Or get the carbon tank, but I think most of you guys don't want to spend 1,000 euros on a fuel tank, which I can understand. But in the end it looks awesome. But yeah, the SXF tank is a great option, or get the covers because it's way cheaper to do. But I'll get the EXC tank off and get the carbon tank back on.
Yo, look, I ain't saying that I'm rich, cause if I'm honest I've never been. But when I look at all these other kids, I feel just a little bit ahead of them. You should know the business is competitive. There's a lot of people that I'm better than. Even veterans ain't got the knowledge I do. I've been reinvesting on
my last few builds. So it's this 500, but also my previous 500 had the Motomaster Supermoto kit on it. I choose it with a reason. What we like about it is you got a great feeling in the master cylinder, so that works great. You got like the 6-piston bearing, which is way too strong for a Supermoto. It's made for like bikes that are way over 200 kilos, and maybe the fast riders like the Luke 1 team will have enough fun with it, but for the regular riders the Motomaster kit is perfect. Or other options that I like are the Brembo monoblock, but yeah, in my opinion the Motomaster is perfect. Kit is about 800 euros, I believe. I will link it in the description below. Another option for the upgrading your bike brakes are getting a 320 disc, the street kit from Motomaster, which will mount a stock 2-piston brake caliper on it. And yeah, you will get a few extra stopping power with it. But yeah, I would recommend the 4-piston kit, especially if you want to go on the track sometimes.
Let's be professional. Thanks for your time, but I had to decline at that principle. I've been scheming up a plan, hey. I've been saving all I can, hey. You can call me David Rams, hey.
Look what I got. Got some new plastics for the bike. Let me show you. It's from Polysport. They've sent me a new set of plastics for the bike. Full black. And yeah, let's mount some new plastics. It's gonna be a full black motor. It's gonna be a full black Supermoto. It's gonna look sick, especially with some other parts I got for it as well. Also from Polysport, the swing arm covers to modify the swing arm so it looks black as well. Also got an ignition cover from Polysport. You can bolt it right on, so you don't need to powder coat the ignition cover anymore, which is perfect because the fitment is also a little shabby when you powder coat it. A few other parts that I got for the bike. A shit like this, the fork string 360. You can this way you can modify your front forks to make them look black. A lot of questions always about the anodizing, because I used to anodize the front forks. But yeah, this is way easier. You just put them on and heat shrink it. Other part from Zeta, and some other shit from Zeta is coming as well. So let's bolt it on and get the show started. 500 is finished for now, all mirrored out, all black. It looks fucking epic, especially with the carbon tank back on it. I really love the carbon tank. If you want one, find the links in the description below. Yeah, it needs a few more updates. It needs a skid plate, that's for sure. And also some graphics by DWS Decals. Yeah, I got them already, so they will be on very soon. Just comment below what other changes I should do to the bike. You can find high quality photos of my bike on my Instagram. Follow me at Crashking SMF on Instagram. Link will be placed in the description as well. And same for the Supermofools account on Instagram and Facebook, of course. Just follow us all over the place and let us know what you think about this bike. More builds are coming, like the one from Joshua. Yes.
Yes.
Joshua's bike will be sick. He got a dual Akapovic exhaust. Video right there. For now, see you. When will we post the next video?
Yes.
Yes. Yes. We have no schedule, so see you next time.